Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve another easy question which is 344. So the question is reverse string. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters as you must do this by modifying in place with O1 extra memory. Okay, so we are given a string in the form of array and we have to reverse the string like this. Okay, so the main goal is to the main problem is that we have to do in place. If that is not the case, then it's really easy. i will just simply write I will just simply write a loop, for loop. I will write a for loop. I'm not writing a code here because we all know how to do traversing from backward. So I will write a for loop and traverse it from backward. And after traversing it from backward, I will access all the elements one by one, and I will put that elements in another array, and simply I will return that array. But here that's not the case. We have to return we have to use in place. That we can't create any extra array for that. So here we are the approach we're gonna use here, by which we can do in place of in place is that approach is let's head towards the whiteboard. That approach is two pointer approach. Let's take this array. Hello. H E A L L O. So here is the array. Now how I'm gonna reverse this? How I'm gonna reverse this using two pointer? Let's see. I'll place one pointer here, which is L, and another pointer will be at the end of the list, R. So there will be two pointers. One will be my left pointer and another will be my right pointer. Now what I'll do, I'll simply swap the value alphabets or letters, you can say letters. I will swap them. O will be here, H will be here. Now the rest of the variables are here, letters are here. Sorry. Okay, now this is the list. I'm just creating a new array for just explaining you the concept. Okay, don't think that I'm creating a new array in real time. No, we are doing this in place. Now my left pointer is still here pointing at O and my right is pointing at R. So don't you think that we should move this pointer further? Left pointer now will be here, right pointer will be here. So let me move this. My new pointers will be here. My left is here, my right is here. Again, I'm gonna swap that. Now O, they both will be swapped. L, L, E, H. Now again, I will increment both the pointers. Where were they at? Here is the L, and here was the right. Okay. Now let's increment this. Okay. Now after L will be here. L, and and right will also be here. Now both pointers are now equal. So here is the condition of my while loop. When that keep running, the keep incrementing and incrementing L and decrementing right until the left is greater than the right. This is left less than, or this is my condition, this is my main condition, that keep running the while loop until this condition meets. Now my left pointer smaller than right? No, that's not the case. So my while loop will stop executing. Okay. Now this is our output. Now you can see here we reverse the string. Initially it was hello. Now it is O L L E H. Okay. So let's jump towards the coding part. I'll create two pointers. L is equals to L will be, sorry, it is commented out. Two pointers will be L will be 0 and right will be the length of S. S is our array minus 1, while while loop will start less than equals, sorry, less than R, L less than R. What we have to do is swap the variable in Python. In Python we swap the variables in one liner. If you are using any other language, then you can easily use the temporary variable method, but here we are in Python, so we can use one liner. S L comma S R equals to S. Swap this swap the element at left pointer with the element at right, and swap the right element with the element at L. Now done. Now I'm gonna after swapping, what we were doing after swapping, I was incrementing L and decrementing right. Incrementing L, decrementing right. The return is none because we are doing in place, so we don't need to return anything. Let's run this. Yeah, both the test case submitted. Let's submit the code. Yeah, it's submitted and all the test cases passed. So the solution is really easy. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of code, but the approach, we need to understand the logic, that how we are going to use the two pointer here. Okay. So I hope you understood the question. It write yourself, take a pen and paper, and understand how we are pointing. Starting pointer is left is pointing at the beginning and right is pointing at the end, and both are decrementing and incrementing, and how we are gonna swapping the variables. Sorry, the letters. I'm making that mistake thousand times. I'm calling letters as variables. Okay, so if you want more lead code questions and more coding videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.